Hi Rupam. Happy 40th birthday. Being 40 means that you have experienced enough to know what you want and are still young enough to achieve more. And I want you to achieve it. Great things happen at 40, especially to someone like you who precisely know what you want out of life and has the courage to achieve it. That's you. With you, I have found the perfect partner, the best friend, the sweetest love. I'm grateful for the life you have given me. At 40, I can say you're just 18 years of age with 22 years of experience. We had great plans to celebrate your 40th birthday with a special long trip with your friends. Road trip, but unfortunately, with the current scenario, this couldn't happen. Yet I want you to have your 40th birthday in a very, very special manner. I have taken some efforts to make it special with lots of wishes and love from your loved ones and the family. So let's start with the elders of the family.
Happy birthday to you, my dear Sonu. Happy birthday to you, my dear Sonu.
मैं बोलूँगा
बोलो.
many happy returns of the day Sonu and wish you all the best. God bless you for healthy and long life.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, dear Rupam. Happy birthday. हजारों साल साल के दिन को 50,000. Happy birthday once again.
All the best.
भविष्य के लिए सारी शुभकामनाएं भगवान आपको दे दे. हम ये वर्चुअल केक भेज रहे हैं. अभी आप इस एंजॉय करो, बाद में फिजिकली लेके आएंगे. ऑल द बेस्ट.
सोनू 40 वर्ष के होने पर आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई हो.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सन्नू. 40वां हैप्पी बर्थडे की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो बेटा.
बर्थडे सोनू खुश रहो.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सन्नू. खुश रह बेटा.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सोनू.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सोनू.
बड़े तो हो गए, अब बारी है तेरे कजिन्स की. कजिन्स के साथ तो मेरी गर्ल गैंग भी मौजूद है.
Sanu, wish you a very very happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. God bless you.
Yeah, Sanu said, many happy returns of the day. Wish you a very happy 40th birthday. May God bless you with health, wealth, and all the happiness in the world. Stay blessed. Many more happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sanu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Sanu.
Happy birthday, Sanu.
Hi Sanu.
Wish you a very happy 40th birthday.
Enjoy your day. Stay home. Stay safe.
पार्टी अभी बाकी है.
Yes.
Happy birthday Sonu ji.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सोनू.
Happy birthday, Rupam. Many happy returns of the day. Wish you a very happy 40th birthday. हम social distancing norms के हिसाब से wish कर रहे हैं. So enjoy yourself. Stay safe. Have a great time. And once the lockdown is over, we will definitely party and celebrate.
Okay, it's my time now. Wish you many happy returns of the day, Rupam. Happy 40th. And have a fab birthday with your family. And I'm definitely sure this is going to be a special one.
Happy birthday Sonu.
Happy birthday Sonu ji.
Hi, happy birthday to you Sonu ji.
Happy birthday Sonu.
Happy birthday Sonu.
Happy birthday Sonu ji.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Sonu. Have a wonderful year ahead.
Happy birthday, मेरे पापा. Happy birthday, भाई साहब.
Happy birthday, Rupam.
हैप्पी बर्थडे बड़े पापा.
हैप्पी बर्थडे रूपम.
हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई साहब.
Many happy returns of the day, Sonu. I wish you may get all the success, health, wealth, and prosperity throughout this year. Enjoy.
अब बारी है तेरे फ्रेंड्स की सरप्राइज.
Hey, here's wishing you a happy 40th birthday. May you live long, healthy, and prosper. And we keep on riding as always. Enjoy.
सुना है आपका बर्थडे आ गया है. अच्छी बात है. 40 साल के हो गए हो. 22-23 साल की तो हमारी दोस्ती है. इसी बहाने आप ही को एक बहुत ही बड़ा और हैप्पी वाला बर्थडे. इस लॉकडाउन में पता है तकलीफें हैं, मगर हमने किसी तकलीफों को ऐसे झेला नहीं, हो नहीं सकता. Wishing you a very happy birthday, brother, and wishing you the best for the years to come, and perfect health and perfect life filled with happiness and best going ahead. So just enjoy life, keep on riding slowly. Take care, bro. Bye.
Happy birthday, Rupam uncle. I hope you enjoy your 40th birthday. Happy birthday, Rupam uncle. I hope you had a good day at your birthday, and I hope you enjoy it.
Happy birthday, Rupam. Enjoy your 40th birthday.
Happy birthday, Rupam. Enjoy your 40th. Have as much fun as you can for during this coronavirus time.
Have fun.
I wish you many happy returns of the day.
Hi Rupam, wish you a very happy 40th birthday. I can't believe तू 40 years का हो गया है because you still look very young. मेमोरीज तो अपने इतने सारे और सब कुछ खाने को लेके ही है because I think जब भी हम मिले हैं थैंक्स टू यू हम कोई ना कोई तेरे रिकमेंडेशन के नए रेस्टोरेंट में जाके हमने एक्सप्लोर किया है. थाने में आई थिंक घोड़बंदर रोड के सारे वो फैंसी अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट्स का इंट्रोडक्शन, अच्छे फूड का इंट्रोडक्शन हमको तो तुझसे ही मिला है. एंड विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन. हैव अ ग्रेट क्वारंटाइन बर्थडे. बाय.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Rupam.
Happy birthday, Rupam.
Happy birthday, Sonu sir.
शेडिंगचे चालू प्रेमळ मन मिळावं बिंदास बेधडक आमचे बॉस कम फ्रेंड असे आमचे रूपम उर्फ सोनू सर यांना वाढदिवसाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा.
Last but not the least, घर के बच्चों की.
Hi Sanoma, आपको जन्मदिन मुबारक हो and many happy returns of the day.
Happy 40th birthday Sanoma. Many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday चाचा.
Happy birthday, Chacha.
Happy birthday, Sonu Mama.
Have a great year.
Very happy birthday सोनू चाचा.
Happy birthday, Dadu.
Happy 40th birthday, Sonu Chacha.
Happy birthday सोनू चाचा. आपका चॉकलेट इसको दे दो.
Happy birthday, Sonu Chacha.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Mama ji.
Happy birthday, Sonu Chacha.
Happy birthday सोनू चाचा.
Happy birthday, Sonu Chacha.
Happy birthday, Tauji. Happy birthday, Papa. I love you so much. Happy birthday, Papa. I love you, Papa.
बस यही स्माइल चाहिए थी आपके बर्थडे पे. I wish you a very happy birthday again, and I hope the smile remains on your face always.